I saw this and I have to try it, but I don't know what it's called. Latex makeup, peely makeup? I don't know. I bought these glitter glue pens off Amazon and I emptied one of them out and filled it with latex. So hopefully this works. Okay, I'm gonna start off with bare skin. Okay. So swirls all around the place. Oh no. I do have these little like thinner lids. Oh, okay, that is way better. It's not very secure on there, so I have to kind of hold it in place as I'm squeezing. Don't ask me what shape I'm going for, because I have no idea. Have no fear, Tara is here. Okay. I'm excited, I feel like it's gonna look good. Well, I hope it's gonna look good. Otherwise, I've just wasted a whole bunch of latex. Oh! I also got these little lids off Amazon too. This is intense. I feel like I'm holding my breath every time I'm doing the lines. Don't know if it was a good idea putting it in my eyebrows. Hopefully it doesn't rip them out. Yeah. Ooh. Are these ones dry? Oh, they are dry. I can't. The lips are starting to dry now so I can talk again. This is a lot of focus. Last section, guys. Hit the like button to show your support. Okay, let's try and... Ooh. Okay. I did the latex. Woo. I can barely move my face, but it looks cool. Let's speed up the drying time. I feel like Beyonce. Woo. Feels very strange and rubbery. Time to add the colour. Gonna go in with a little bit of purple first, right in the centre. All over my nose, pretty much. I kind of look like the girl from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Pink. And blend that right next to the purple. Ooh, I have a good feeling about this look. Quick, comment your predictions. Do you think it's going to turn out good or not? Now the red. Right next to that pink. Ooh, exciting. Oh, what's happening here? No. Oh, okay. False alarm, as you were. Got a bit of orange. Orange right next to that red. The yellow. Okay. Nearly there. Green. Just pack that green on right next to the yellow. Maybe I didn't leave enough space for the blue. We must carry on. Last up is the blue. Blue. Kind of looks green to me, you know? The struggle. I'm going over all the colours with eyeshadow just so that they really stand out. Vibrant. The moment has arrived. Time to peel off the latex. Okay, where should I start? Here we go. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Oh, sideburns. Okay. Oh, careful on the eyebrows. Oh, ouch. Please don't rip out my hairs. Oh, slowly. Oh, this was a bad idea. Oh, yeah.
So satisfying.
It reminds me of silly string. You know, like that you get in the can. Oh,
Squiggly wiggly.
This is probably one of the most satisfying makeup looks I've ever done. Last bits. Ow. Ay. Este. That's it. That's all the squiggles. I love how it's multicolored. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, let me add a few tiny finishing touches. I'll be right back. Ta-da! I'm back. And with lights. It only felt right to do rainbow lights with this makeup. Let's all take a moment for the outcome. I wasn't sure whether I should have added like gloss and liner and lashes, but maybe on the next one. I definitely want to try this again in other colours.
What colour is my face? Ay, mi amor.
But be honest, what do you guys think? What would you rate it out of 10? Colourful squiggles for sale if anyone wants to buy them. Just kidding. TikTok filters pick my makeup? Let's do it. First up is eyeshadow and eyeliner. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do the lighter green for the eyeshadow. And then I'll do the darker green for the eyeliner. Spread that all over. Oh, I think I put too much. Blend it all out. I feel like mine is too green. It should kind of be more like the colour of my headband. Just tapping a little bit of yellow eyeshadow on top to kind of make it look a bit more like the filter colour. Let's pick the eyeliner style first. Okay, we got a little squiggly wiggly situation going on there. It's kind of cute. So I'm going to do this one in the darker green. Right here. It actually doesn't look too bad. I kind of like it. Freckles. Oh, lemons. Let me quickly put my base on. That's better. I've drawn out 2 yellow circles on my face. Well, kind of circles or ovals. This is where my lemons are going to be. Just going to fill that in yellow. Using white paint to add a bit of highlight. Add in the little leaf details. Oh, it's so cute. Why do I feel like my lemons are getting bigger and bigger? And they kind of look a bit more like oranges rather than lemons. Yellow eyeshadow across the bridge of my nose. Add in all the little freckle details. So I've done some yellow, green, and now I'm doing white. I keep trying to fix it, but each time I fix it, it looks like it gets bigger and bigger. Tattoos. Okay. Oh, this looks awful. It looks nothing like the tattoo. What is going on with me today? Okay, I need to do the lips and add a few more finishing touches. So who's ready to see the end result? Ta-da! Here's the final look. Added the lenses to go with the lemons. I know they kind of look more like mangoes or oranges instead of lemons, but let's just pretend it's lemons. I like the green and yellow combination, but I'm just really disappointed with my lemons. I know I could have done way better. It just wasn't working out for me today. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it cute or a fail? Avatar makeup? Let's do it. I'm going to do the original blue avatar today. I'll go straight in with this Mare on cream stick. Get right up in there. I have actually done blue avatar twice before, but you guys always comment asking me to do it again. So here we are. Out of all the different colour avatars I've done so far, which one's your favourite? Mine was the red, but now it's the black one. Greetings, Earthlings. Concealer time. Ooh, why do I feel like a fluffy cloud right now? Get it all over the nose so we can make it look a lot wider. Oops. Yeah. Going in with some dark blue to contour. We're gonna do forehead, cheekbones, jawline. Sculpt that chin and the nose. Bring a line down. And I bring that blue right through my crease and flick it out to my temple. Right here, bring it out a bit on the cupid's bow. Under here, and then right in the center, join it up, blend in along that contour line until it starts to fade away. The blend is looking spectacular. Imagine I was in an Avatar movie. I'm manifesting it. That'd be so cool. Quick comment blue in capital letters if your favorite color is blue. It has to be all capitals. Time for powder. Oh, get a big fluffy brush. Press it on the skin. Going on top of everything with blue eyeshadow just to really bring those colours out and make everything pop, 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 pop all over my eyelid. Time for the lines. I don't know why I always dread doing the lines. I think it's just because I don't want to mess it up and make it look rubbish. That's the centre. Ooh, okay. I'm going to use a bigger brush to thicken this line up a little bit. I want it to look a bit smudged. That line's not in the middle, is it? No! Curve in and out. Oh, that's very dark. Soften up those lines and make them a little bit thicker than a Snicker. For the brows, I kind of did like an ombre, white at the front and then a bit of a lighter blue and then going into dark blue on the ends. I don't know if you can really tell, but that's what I did. I did it. Body time. Blend that all out. Oh, my brush is rattling again. I wonder what's in there. Such a mystery. Maybe it's a diamond or a piece of gold. Treasure. Oh, you're a bit patchy, love. Set that body with powder. Okay, good to go. Good to go. Shading in that body with the eyeshadow. I need like some coloured setting powder or something. That would make my life so much easier. Oh, look at the collarbone. It's like very sharp. Blend it out a little bit. Hither. Thither. Hey. Okay, body. She's looking nice. She's looking nice. Guys, I nearly forgot the pink for the nose and the lips. Why didn't you remind me? Just tap in some pink eyeshadow on there. Cute. Oh, yes. Looking good. Let the painting commence. We're going to do white dots. Doing them in like little clusters. I never really know what to say on this part, so speed it up. Okay, I think I should stop there with the face, but not with the body. Tap your nose to make it speed up. Did you tap your nose? Be honest. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Quickly adding eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Really like pink eyeliner in the waterline. Adding a bit of highlighter. Ooh. Contact lenses. Gotta go with yellow, of course, because Awa has yellow. Not Awa. Naturi. Naturi has yellow. Come on. Yes. No. Go. Yes! Ha! Lashes. I'm gonna go for these. Got a bit of blue on the end. First lash. Come on. Yes, flawless victory. Time for the hair. Okay, let's do this. I need to fix this hair and add a few finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Ta-da! Here's the final look. I wish I had more accessories for the hair, but I really love how the makeup turned out. What do you guys think? Do I look like a true Navi? Comment a blue heart emoji if you made it to the end of the video. I think this is the last of the Avatar series. I don't want to overdo it and make it boring because I'm doing it like every week. But maybe I'll bring it back after the summer or around Halloween. What do you guys think? Should I carry on or should I give it a break? Random color generator picks my makeup. Let's do it. So I just typed in random color generator on Google and I found this website called randomcolor.com. So it has the colors and I just drag it down to refresh and change to the next color. This challenge is pretty similar to the color picker filter that I do. Okay, hopefully we get some good colors, but knowing my luck, we won't. Foundation first. Yellow, a pastel yellow. Hopefully this is the right shade. Here. Ooh. Okay, blending it out. Over here, when life gives you lemons, paint your face.
Lisa!
Concealer! Oh, no! Well, I guess yellow and green go together. This is gonna look terrible. And down the nose, blend it out with that same foundation brush. Contour. Ah, okay. A darker green. Going in with this darker green shade. Apply it on the brush first. Bit here. Oh, goodness. Get those cheekbones. Kind of reminded me of that avatar that I did. And the nose. Now let's really blend it out. I feel like the yellow's kind of fading away. Just gonna tap a little right here and blend it out. Oh no, I made it go a bit patchy. Yep, contour's pretty much done. Time for blush. Oops. Blue blush. Baby blue blush. Well, I think that's baby blue. Looks baby blue to me. Tap it on here. Can you see it? I need more. Oh, please. There. Oh, there we go. I'm just going over all the colors with eyeshadow to make them pop again. And I still look crazy. Eyeshadow. What is that? Yellow? Green? Like a lime green. What's with all the green? This generator's trying to turn me into an ogre. Or maybe it's trying to channel my inner alphabet. Alphabet? Blend down. Tap this on. And then with this green eyeshadow right here. Tap that all over my eyelids. Second eyeshadow color. No. What is going on? I don't even know what type of green that is. That's like a grass green or like a Hulk green. I'm convinced that this filter is trying to sabotage me. Comment any green emoji if your favorite color is green. Eyebrows. What is that, like lilac? Lavender? I guess every day can't be a good makeup day. I think I found the exact shade. Start filling in the brows. Ooh, the paint is cold. Fill it all in. These brows look awful. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Lip liner. Please give me something good. No. Someone is playing a prank on me right now. I feel like going again, but is that cheating? Green lip liner. Lipstick. No. I'm really losing hope in this look now. How many different shades of greens are there? Slap that on. I'm gonna tap over it with eyeshadow. Time for the only thing that can save this look now. Details. No, we're not we're not doing it. Green, 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 green. Okay. We're going in with the pink paint. Here. And here. Why do I look like Drax? Popping in some lenses. I need some lashes. Think I'm gonna go for these ones. Here. Adding that color to the body. In the body details. I need to add a few more finishing touches. I'll be right back. Ta-da! All done. Here's the final look. I look like I should be a character in Guardians of the Galaxy. As usual, the details really saved the look. This is why I always try and trust the process. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it a cute or a fail? Comment a pink heart emoji if you made it to the end of the video. This wig reminds me of candy floss. And hit the like button on your way out. Thanks for watching.